Step into a future where even drying off gets a high-tech makeover. DARID redefines post-shower routines, replacing towels with a warm air system that saves 70 liters of water per wash. Equipped with an advanced filter, it captures 98.9% of bacteria and viruses, making it ideal for public spaces like pools and beaches. Using DARID is effortless. Simply stand and let the air do the work, a convenience that even Julius Caesar might have admired. The only drawback? DARID's cutting-edge convenience comes at a steep price of $2,415. Experience the convenience of DriBUDDi, an innovative clothes dryer that delivers impressive results. Priced at $76, this dryer boasts numerous benefits. It features a handy timer control, ensuring the 1200-watt heating element operates efficiently without wasting energy. The unique cocoon cover creates an airing effect, accelerating the drying process and protecting your clothes from pet hair and paw prints. With a capacity to hold 10 kilograms or 18 items of clothing, DriBUDDi offers ample space for your laundry needs. Its effectiveness and thoughtful design make it a standout choice for efficient and pet-friendly clothes drying. Imagine a smart home system that rivals the performance of a supercar. iSMART Systems offers such a solution, integrating all your space's features, floor heating, air conditioning, fire safety, and pool maintenance, into a single, user-friendly control system. If you have tried other systems that failed to meet expectations, iSMART's experts can troubleshoot and improve them at the software level. They also cater to commercial spaces such as warehouses and hotels. With iSMART, you can reduce your electricity bill by up to 30%, enhance your property's value, and maintain it in optimal condition. This comprehensive and efficient approach makes iSMART the ultimate choice for smart home and commercial automation. Lunar Energy may sound futuristic, but it is a practical backup power system available today. It ensures your home remains powered during grid outages and can reduce your electricity bill. Switching to Lunar Energy takes just 30 milliseconds, thanks to its solar panel integration. The standard unit delivers up to 15 kilowatts of peak power and supports up to 30 kilowatt hours of consumption. This is achieved using lithium, nickel, manganese, cobalt oxide batteries, similar to those in the Tesla Model Y and BMW i3. A typical Lunar Energy setup for a home in California costs around $30,000 and pays for itself in 7 years, offering a reliable and cost-effective energy solution. The Chinese government's announcement of creating snow in 56% of the country by next year is promising news for Powder Watts, an American company specializing in roof maintenance. They have developed a smart heat cable controller that can reduce electricity costs by 90%, potentially saving homeowners between $100 and $400 each month. This controller uses a dual camera system to detect snow and activate the heat cables at the right time, ensuring roofs remain clean and safe. Powered by a 4 ampere-hour battery, it can last up to 6 months and is recharged by a solar panel. Best of all, it is compatible with existing heat cable installations, offering an efficient and cost-effective solution for managing snow accumulation on roofs. Sustainable building practices focus on minimizing environmental impact, and Waven's Q-Bic Plus blocks are a prime example. These innovative blocks were used to create a park in London and an invisible stormwater storage system beneath a green space in Wolfsburg, Germany. A team of 5 can assemble 336 blocks in an hour, with inspection holes allowing robots to quickly verify the structure. Each block supports a vertical load of up to 32.5 tons per square meter and can hold 46 liters of water. This approach to building sponge cities offers an efficient solution for managing stormwater, enhancing urban resilience to flooding. Think of Pimp My Ride for car lifts. and you have total lifting solutions. They transform ordinary garages into extraordinary spaces, like adding a car lift for a home with a bowling alley so the owner can admire their sports cars while bowling. Their custom designs can feature travel capabilities of up to 18 meters, and they even install lifts for helicopters. The results are stunning, showcasing their ability to blend functionality with luxury, turning any space into a showpiece. Total Lifting Solutions excels in creating unique, high-end lift installations that elevate both vehicles and aesthetics. The Zephyr lift is a space-saving downdraft kitchen vent that is ideal for kitchens without room for a traditional hood. This innovative vent can be hidden when not in use and extends up to 46 centimeters when needed. It features 2 levels of LED lights, perfect for illuminating late-night cooking. With 3 air capture zones around its edges, it efficiently handles steam and odors from multiple pots or pans. The Zephyr lift also alerts you when the filter needs cleaning, currently offered at a discounted price of $1,800. This 76-centimeter wide vent combines practicality with sleek design, enhancing any modern kitchen.
I don't wanna keep on second guessing.